What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is just my thought on the LG G8. I just picked up the phone today, and a lot of people has been saying a lot of terrible things about the LG G8. The hand gesture situation, how it's a gimmick, it doesn't work most of the time, the phone is trash, all these negative things I heard about the phone. A lot of times, like, as a consumer, if you see other consumers talking about the phone or other YouTubers talking about the phones as if it's nothing, as if it's trash, it prevents you from getting that phone even if you want it. So I watched a lot of videos on it, and a lot of these YouTubers are saying a lot of negative things about it. But I went ahead and I got the phone anyway. And here are my thoughts, man. This phone is amazing. Like, I don't know what those other people was experiencing. I don't know, like, what was the situation with their phones or with their unit or review unit or whatever it was. I don't know if they bought it or not, but today is my first day with the phone. I got it this morning, picked it up from UPS, and first impression is I was blown away. I have the Galaxy S10 Plus. I have the iPhone OnePlus 6T. I would say the only mainstream phone that I don't have is the Pixel 3. I was gonna get that, but then I'm like, oh, the Pixel 4 is just coming out, so I'll just wait till that comes out and then I pick that up. I'm also getting the OnePlus 7 as well. But the main thing is this phone, the LG G8. This is an amazing phone. I mean, it's one thing if you get that new phone feeling, like, if you get a new device, a new toy, a new gadget, you're kind of a little hype about it, and once the hype dies down, you're like, what else? But I mean, like I said, it's my first day with the phone, and I've been going through the settings, going through the phone, just testing out new things on the phone and stuff like that. And to be honest, I don't have any negative thing to say about this phone so far. Let me show you guys. This is the LG G8 with the notch. You can cover up the notch, excuse me, if you want to, but you cannot cover it up. But I really appreciate this phone, and I appreciate that Google Assistant button and the gestures, these little gestures. This is the same gesture the Pixel has. I really appreciate that. I really love it. I mean, I love Samsung gestures, the gesture on the Galaxy S10, Note 9, whatever, with the new Samsung One UI. It's amazing. It's nice. At first I thought I was gonna hate this phone, to be honest. Like, I was like, man, all these people said all these negative things about this phone. I'm just gonna get it. After a while, I'm gonna sell it. But I don't think I'm selling this phone anytime soon. It's like, first thing first is the screen. This screen is amazing. Like, this is one of the best OLED screen that I've seen on a phone. Like, it's amazing. It's nice. The camera is also very amazing. I compared the wide angle with the LG wide angle. The LG wide angle lens is a little wider. You get more in the shot, when you're looking at that. Another thing that I like about this phone is that the quad dock, I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's been a while since I had an LG phone. My last LG phone was the LG G4. The G5, I hated that phone. I didn't get it, but I just hated it because I was not with the whole modular design thing. It wasn't my thing, and the way the size of the phone was a little awkward and whatever. But anyway, that quad dock, if you're an audiophile, somebody that listens to music a lot, like I do, I listen to a lot of music. I'm constantly in my car. I'm recording this video in my car, and I'm constantly in the car, going to work, end up work, doing my break, running errands here and there. I'm constantly in the car, and I listen to a lot of music, and I compare the sounds of, like, with the wire headphones in, with my Samsung, with the iPhone, with the OnePlus 6T, and there is no other phone out there that is touching the LG G8 when it comes to audio. Like straight, like I don't know what to tell you guys, but the sound that comes out of this, it's amazing. I mean, when you're playing music just off the phone, it has one downward firing speaker. Doesn't sound that loud, but it's still pretty loud. I mean, for one speaker, it's amazing, you know. But like I'm saying, if you enjoy audio, if you like rich sound, like the way your music sound, like you should get this phone. If that's your main reason, there are other reasons you can get this phone. The screen, the software. I mean, LG software has improved as well as Samsung. You know, I don't hate it. Like, even though it's not stock Android, it's not close, or it's a little bit close, a tiny bit, but it's still amazing. It's still good. I love the fact that it doesn't have you can choose not to have the app drawer and choose not to have it, but you know, it's your choice. But anyway, the audio, let's get back to that audio. It's amazing. It's awesome. I enjoy the music so much. Like, there's so much, like, I can't even find the words for it. Like how much I appreciate using wire headphones through this phone. Like, I use my auxiliary cord instead of Bluetooth in the car, and like I said, it sounds great. It's amazing. If that's, like I said before, if that is your reason for wanting this phone, you should get it. And there are many other reasons to get the phone. I wouldn't say the Galaxy S10 Plus, it's better. I wouldn't say that it's better. My only gripe is 6 gigs of RAM versus 8. There's one storage option. There's one RAM option. You can't get anything above 6 gigs. You can't get anything above 128 gigs. You know, but I totally understand why LG took that route. I don't know why, but I could speculate. Maybe it's the fact that, you know, they haven't really been on their game. You know, like they haven't really been selling phones like they used to. Like, you know, for me, I think LG fell off all the way back to the LG G5. That modular design that they chose to go with, that was the beginning of the end. Well, it's not the end yet, because they're still alive. They're still there. They still have a chance to come back. But that was the beginning of, you know, what's happening now with their phones. And, you know, I guess maybe they're trying to cut costs to, you know, just make one model, one, you know, just I've seen other people with the with other colors, but like my carrier is Sprint. I went with Sprint. I only had two options. I had this one, the black, and the gray. I chose to go with the black because black looks good on everything. Hey, but anyway, that's just my thought. I don't want to make this a 10-minute video, but it's almost at 10 minutes. So for other people that have been shitting on this phone, like talking trash about this phone, you're wrong. You're wrong. Like, you're totally wrong about this phone. The phone is good. The phone is amazing. The camera is amazing. The screen is amazing. That, like I said, the quad dock the quad dock situation, that is amazing too. And like that alone is a good reason for me to get the phone, because I appreciate music that much. I appreciate what my ear is hearing that much. I compare this to, like I said, other phones that I have, and there's no other phone that's compared to this one when it comes to the audio. The gestures, I enjoy that. The speed, I could compare the speed of this phone to the S9, maybe like any other phones. Let's just say any other mainstream phone, flagship phone. And I appreciate the price. It's not $1,000 phone, which is amazing. What, $800, $750? That, it's just right. Like, I think every other phone should be at that price point, you know. But it is what it is. So like I said, I really enjoyed this phone. Thank you guys for, if you took the time to watch this video, I appreciate it. If you haven't gotten this phone yet and you've been thinking about it, go ahead and buy this phone. Don't let nobody tell you any different. LG is still on their game. LG is still they haven't, well, they fell off a little bit, but I think this phone might be the phone that actually does like bring them back. I'm just saying. I don't know the future. I'm just saying the phone is amazing. I appreciate it. Other people too that I've seen. One other person that I've seen on, one other YouTuber, Jay Wills, he appreciated this one. I watched his video on this phone, and I was like, he was the only, I think he was like one of the only few people that had like a good response or a good review for this phone. But all the other bigger, the top guys, they were calling it the hands gesture, the whatever. I'm sure people said the same thing about iris scanner, like, oh, you're gonna unlock your phone with your eyes. Oh, that's a gimmick. That's a gimmick. People talk, man. People complain about things, and then later on they find out that they like it, they appreciate it. So that is just my thought, guys. Thank you. If you took the time to watch this video, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. I need subscribers. I do. I really do. All right, I spend my own money to buy these phones, to do this review, to do my reviews and stuff like that. I really appreciate it. So I will appreciate if you guys showed me some love, some support, anything. I'm not begging for anything. I'm not asking for handout. Just subscribe to the channel. All right, my tongue is a little tired right now. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.